I'm going to show you one of the quickest ways to get grease and grime out of your pans. This was baked on sausage from this morning. Normally what I have to do is I have to put this in some hot water and let it sit in dish soap if I do not want to be scrubbing away all day long. Just kidding. And then you have to let it sit and hang around for a little while. No. I have a better trick for you that's going to save you so much time. Get yourself a little water to coat the area. Grab yourself a little dish soap or head to your local Dollar Tree. I got this when I did my 2023 Dollar Tree must-haves. Love this. Way cheaper than the Dawn Power Wash. And if you happen to have something acidic on hand, like some citric acid for canning or a lemon, just go ahead and use that. Not only does it smell good, but it's gonna speed up the process. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna turn this baby on a little bit, get that heat flowing. This will literally take you no time at all. That is ready because it's bubbling and making lots of noise. Turn that off, and then the next thing that you're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. Now, depending upon the severity of grease, you can just take your lemon and look at that. It just wipes away. Did you just see that? I know, pretty amazing. Now I'm gonna show you a second trick here in case yours is even more caked on than mine was, even though this has been sitting here for several hours. You're just gonna take a little table salt, just something a little bit coarse. And then again, you can take your lemon, work it in there if you need to, if you want an all natural cleaning approach. And if this did not work for you, a last resort, what I would do is just head on over here. Meow. I have a little Scrub Daddy. This is not sponsored. Pull that out of there. Scrub Daddy does make sponge holders, but the last time I checked it was like 20 bucks. This is way cuter. And you're gonna take your Scrub Daddy and get all of that out, my friend. Here's the cool thing about Scrub Daddy. You just stick your fingers in there, you get a little extra grip. But since this came out so nicely with the lemon, we are good to go. Let's go ahead and give this a quick rinse. Dun, dun, dun. I just saved my wrists, I saved my arms, and we have a clean pan. Let's go ahead and give this a quick dry. And in actuality, how long did this actually take? I don't know, maybe 5 seconds. The heat, the little bit of dish soap, and a little bit of acidity did the job for us. That looks shiny, new, and amazing. By the way, if you want to see over 30 viral Scrub Daddy secrets, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.